Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the poem Maps, written by Dorothy Brown Thompson. I am going to read the poem. High adventure and bright dream, maps are mightier than they seem. Ships that follow leaning stars, red and gold of strange bazaars. Ice flows hid beyond all knowing, plains that ride where winds are blowing. Train maps, maps of wind and weather, road maps taken all together. Maps are really magic vans from home staying vagabonds. Dear students, I am going to summarize this poem in simple language you can understand well. Dorothy, the poet, saying that maps are very important. It is used for adventure things, and also the poet says maps are mightier than they seem. They are very great help of things and also the directions. Many people use in the landmarks, many people use for the sea level, and also many things are used to indicate maps. Maps are also used for the flying of planes and also the directions of wind, which directions the wind is blowing. Also we see the importance of map in railway and weather forecast, road maps, etc. So the maps are very important in day-to-day life. We may not realize the importance of map as we see every day in our life, but when they are used all together, they are really effective and magic. And also maps are used at home for various things. That's why people wander and also people go from one place to the other seeing the map. And today we see the latest technology has approved that maps in various kinds. Also we see today the map has become very important, and that's why in mobile technology it is used as a GPS map. So we see they seem to be very powerful in day-to-day life, which are used to know things. Especially earlier days, these maps were used in the sea and also to discover many adventurous things. And today it has been read in the schools and other necessary teachings and learnings. So dear children, the maps which seem to be very mightier are very important in day-to-day life. Thank you.